walking inside now. Oh, I love corrugated steel.
Oh my God.
Hey dude, wait up.
Alright, wait up.
Looking back out. Alright, oh man, that's from the storm. Okay people, right here, this is where it changes from corrugated steel to concrete. And there's a lot of debris right here. See, from this wood plank, this has always been here ever since we first came in. And there's a big storm a while ago, and there's a lot of debris, and we're gonna get over it. So yeah, this is a weird section.
Let me check something out real quick.
Damn.
There you go.
I didn't think that thing was attached.
Yeah, I thought that thing was
Damn. But yeah, URBEXers. There's a weird junction right here. There might be another blocked off tunnel behind this little wall right here. This little manhole shaft. And here is our round concrete pipe. Dude, it's completely dry in here. Yeah, bone dry.
That's like a first, man.
Yeah. I will document when I find it necessary.
Look at your friends.
Oh, it's my friends, the cockroaches.
They didn't like you.
I think that's where they come from. This might be a sewer overflow. We're not sure.
No, I doubt it.
It's possible though. Look at all this shit on the wall.
No, that's just That's just what's it fucking called?
Cockroach shit.
Yeah. So you notice it's wherever they hang out. Let's get through here. I think it's probably cockroaches.
Yeah, same here. What? Remember the one time you were getting mad because I'm scared of cockroaches?
Yeah, I'm not scared of them. I just don't like the thing. Would you like to be walking around in a thing full of cockroaches? Or
No, I would not.
Cockroaches?
No, I would not.
Exactly.
Hello people, once again. This is the end of that long RCP section. I'm looking back. Here's some roaches right here. Hello roaches. Here roaches. Here's Mr. Red. He's sitting at this little junction right here. There's another wall. This is a demon lady woman booby thing. Here's a manhole shaft. And there's a really, really short corrugated steel section. And then it changes to RCP again. Let's go.
Hold on a second. Let me check something out real quick.
What are you going to check out?
Weird. Okay. Alright, let's get out of here.
I notice the pipe gets a little bit bigger. Wait, can you actually see? In that? Yeah. Yeah, you can see. You see a little bit better than you usually can. Well, I think this section of pipe, has something on the sides of it that makes it a little brighter. So it absorbs more light so my camera can take it in. And the metal shafts in this tunnel are kind of weird. Notice, see the rungs are orange.
And I think they're plastic. Yeah, they're plastic.
Huh? Little roachy roach.
Oh, dude, look at this cockroach. They got stuck in a web.
They got stuck in a web?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a huge roach-looking spider. Hola again, this is a really cool looking section. So here you have a little side overflow pipe. It's not sewer or anything, it's just drain overflow. Here's your manhole shaft with your orange rungs again. There's a lot of graffiti in this section. Yeah, we might go down this one, or if we're feeling up to it, we might go in this little section over here. I don't think Mr. Red really wants to though.
Well, let's just check out this section real quick.
Yeah.
It's still flooded because it was pretty badly flooded when we checked it out before.
Yeah. Yeah, see, this section up here is pretty cool. I think that's why they built that overflow, because this section cannot carry as much water as the old one.
It's pretty
It's pretty.
Well, no, as long as you step on the side, it'll be okay.
This is a really cool looking section. So you have your 3 crooked steel pipes. And you have your little side pipe right here. Is a nice looking area. You have your orange drums again. So yeah, shall we?
Yeah, let's go into this one.
Okay. I will stop filming for now because it's going to be
small.
Whoa, what? Yeah, they are small. Shall we?
I don't really want to. We already know where the slink's anyways.
Yeah, but the Goomba shape pipe afterwards is awesome.
Alright, man, you go first because I can't fit through this thing.
Alright, I will stop filming.